Hey everyone, it's Rick Carson, and we are at the beautiful Make Believe Studios, and on another exciting episode of Try Not to Stab Myself in the Face while I do this, we're gonna open up some stuff. So we purchased this box up here from our good friend Charlie. Charlie is a wonderful dude who used to run Enterprise Studios out in Los Angeles, which was always very interesting to me because Enterprise was where Andy Wallace preferred to work in LA. Dang, cool packaging. Okay, didn't stab myself yet. More tape. Thanks, Charlie, for being so thorough. Okay, we got a box from Sennheiser. Anyone want to guess what it is within the next 12 seconds when I open this? So this, there we go, is an original Sennheiser 441U, the vintage kind. Look at this terrible clip. It's like a 441 clip. Does it have a lock? It's an awful lock. Where does that even lock into? Oh, does it go down here? And then I have no idea how that lock is supposed to function. It looks like it's supposed to clip back around behind that thing. I don't know if it will ever do that. The microphone seems pretty solid in its case, and I don't think it's falling or going anywhere. And it looks to be incredibly well. See, we're gonna have to figure out that clip. Okay, so we got a clip thing we gotta figure out, but either way, the microphone seems really great, and according to Charlie, it is working. We're gonna wanna get a little bit of tape on this case though, up here. So that is starting to split, and these Sennheiser cases do that.